Hello viewers, this is Usama from Video for You, and today we will do a hover test between two drones of DJI. The one is DJI Tello and the other one is DJI Mavic Mini. As we know that the DJI Mavic Mini is using the GPS to hover itself, but as we are indoor, so it will not use the GPS, it will only use the down sensor and the camera to stabilize itself, and the Tello will use only the ambience light and the camera to stabilize itself. So let's see which drone will do better hovering indoors. So first we will turn the Tello on. I will open the Tello app first. Okay, this way. Disconnected. So take off. The app is showing ambient light is too weak to fly with caution. So as you can see, it is doing hovering very good. Let's move it aside. Good one. So now I will keep the DJI Tello flying and we will turn on our Mavic Mini. As you can see, the app is showing take off with caution, no GPS. So Mavic Mini are also hovering pretty good. So as we can see, the DJI Mavic Mini is more stable in indoors versus the DJI Tello. The Tello is doing pretty good job here, but it is moving up and down a bit, but the DJI Mavic Mini is super steady even in indoors with no GPS. But I must say that DJI Tello is doing very good job as compared to the DJI Mavic Mini, because if you compare the price and the other things, the Mavic Mini is doing the great job in indoors, but the DJI Tello is also doing very good job here in indoor. There is not too much light here, but the DJI Tello is very stable and the down sensor is working pretty good, as you can see. It's going up and it will hover again at the same position, which is very good. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also find a playlist of DJI Mavic Mini here. Please check it out.